Ozuna Police Bafethu was linked with a move to Al Ahly, and then there was another conversation ukuthi Orlando Pirates was having ne Al Ahly for Ozuna Police, but it seems both moves didn't materialize because Orlando Pirates bakhiphe squad list sama player ba travel nabo ku preseason. Ozuna Police is in that list, and there's a rumor sisazo confirm asize kahle Bafethu, right? There's a rumor yokuthi Orlando Pirates rejected an offer. I think offer Al Ahly for Ozuna Police. What does this mean for the player Ozuna Police? I would say to Ozuna Police, trust management Orlando Pirates. Trust ukuthi management Orlando Pirates bayazi into bayenza, and I'll tell you why I say this. When Umhawunkotha ahamba abantu abaningi bebakhala ukuthi when is Relay next, ba complain. When Umbekezeli Mbokazi left, abanye abantu bebakhala ukuthi when is Relay leaving, abantu ba complain. Imagine if Orlando Pirates babe hasty bahambisa uRelebohile Mofokeng before or straight after Umhawunkotha. There's no guarantee ukuthi la khona uzothola game time, which means that he might have not even made it to a World Cup. But him staying one more season no Orlando Pirates as proving ngayo transition from a wing to a number 10, and then aba effective attack akora magol ayenza izinto besingajwayelanga ukuthi yazenza. Look at where he is now. As much as yes, he knew about the move before going to the World Cup, but staying with Orlando Pirates hiyo emsizile ukuthi nabo Hugo Bruce baqhubeke bambone bamthathe bamise phesheya. Njabulo Blom was a future prospect, wasn't he? Bengasumuntu besimbhekile Bafethu ukuthi amara lo mfana uzodlala kubafana is going to be a main guy. What happened? Unelukhamba ya phesheya. What happened to his chances of playing for ibafana? And now he's back ukuphi, not even ku Chiefs, ulapha ku Stellenbosch FC. So sometimes a player must understand ukuthi some moves don't need to be rushed. You have to be a complete product. Ozuna Police akahlale adlali CAF this season, akahlale aqhubeka competing nge-league, and because uRelebohile Mofokeng akekho, he's definitely going to be the face of Orlando Pirates. He's going to be the main guy that's going to carry team Orlando Pirates. And I like the fact yokuthi they decided to keep him, especially given the performance akhe lapha ku World Cup. He didn't really have a good outing ku World Cup. Ozuna Police strugglile nyana ku World Cup. It was only against Canada, especially towards the end of the game, la he became the Ozuna Police that we know. And shout out to Orlando Pirates also for giving him time off because umona ukushona komngane wakhe uJaden Adams. But knowing how secretive Orlando Pirates are, you might even find ukuthi njoba basloke city kunamarumo ukuthi ama move wakhe rejectiwe. Ngeke ngimangale mina ngizabathi Ozuna Police sayiniwe uyodlala kuphi. You telling me ukuthi nje kanjalo nje uvele wasala yena eUnited States waba no holiday, amanye ama player wona khetha ukubuye. Ezinye izinto mele sisibalance, but if he is staying, I'm happy. It means that Orlando Pirates just have to look for another number 10.